That'll do. Press F2, Catherine. F2. Control of the local.
Yes!
Just get back into it then.
I'm trying, it's not working.
Keep it at that speed, Cat.
Yes. I'm going past that yet, no? No. So they have to see around Italian, right? I'm looking at food, Catherine. There we go. Don't run away, mate.
Too fast, Cat.
If you wait, be patient. That's maximum. Yeah, that's close enough. There we go. And then one of the worst numbers. Let me tell you about that. I think it's 50 quid each. Oh, I thought I'd give you 50. I'll go in and ask you 50. No, don't look at me.
Huh?
You want to do it?
Why?
We've got to get that signal. We've got to do the signal and wait. Yeah. We've got to do the signal and wait, and then we jump outside.
Do you want to do a second loop around and I'll do a video of it approaching that corner from the end?
Can do, yeah.
So normally that line is part of the main line. So you've got the mission to change the route. And that's the one in the middle.
One more train drive for you, right? And then you can go back on. All right. You can go back to that, sit down and doing that. But once your leg starts to hurt this, then I'd like you to come and do some more trains, all right?
We found the horn.
Where am I going?
So Ian, so which route then doesn't it trigger then?
All of them. Bringing black boxes clearly on the signal.
Now that green signal, is that for me? Top one?
Yeah.
Cat stops.
Have you done anything?
Apparently not. He's on the bell. Ah, he found the sound.
Yeah, and 6. I think it's either 5 or 6 because the distance.
Whatever that last one was. Right, press the other one, turn the sound back on, Cat.
Yeah, it should be 8.
There you go.
That's just going through, I think, at least 2 sections, maybe 3 sections before.
Yeah, I think so. It will still trip the signal when it gets
now
to
go
the
back
next
to
section
the
because
main
it's
set of
still on.
points.
But what you'll find this time is when he keeps going, eventually that signal will clear again because it hasn't tripped the first circuit.
you feel the leg to show that you've got your
Yeah, but what I'm saying is not just to trip it. I think the train's just going through 3 separate sections before it's got a section 4 and it's reset it.
Yeah,
There's obviously something wrong with the ball, like a loose connection with the protection box or something, isn't it?
I wouldn't be so sure. You just do one at a time. Can you verify what they are?
So have I got enough room then to go round on that head shank to bring that hole right out?
Should be.
So it's going to go right around, oh, it goes round the wall.
Okay. That caboose is going to be in the way though eventually, isn't it? We've left that in the wrong place.
You have. Where do they come out? Where do they sit? You pull them all out.
Yeah, I'm putting
Leave
them
the
out.
last four in the road.
Yeah,
2 onto number 1.
yeah. So we're not
All,
going
all back in, back for the blue. Put the 1 back on the blue. Turn to the 3.
to put those three out.
Yeah.
Put those two back over
You know,
there.
when you got this bump on, only 1 point of changing.
Yeah. I'm going down the outside. Oh, hang on, I've got the wrong. That's the wrong road for me now, though, isn't it?
No,
I need to come down this inside one.
Yeah, you got the inside one. You've got to have the inside one because that was correct.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
Yeah. Sorry, I misread that. Right.
What tracks? What tracks after that? Yellow? No, blue. Blue 2 is that?
Mitch, Tom, what that good KCS grain train, what track that on? Blue 2, right.
Yeah,
Blue,
blue
2 in.
The hand of God gets into everything.
I just realised you were doing something there. I'm trying to put them on from the back end, I was, but I couldn't. There we are, I think you can do that yourself.
You're wrong.